Hi guys, welcome to this video. This is Dennis from Spotahome. Today we're here in Valencia. We're gonna check out a really unique apartment. Okay, so to start off, we've got 10 bedrooms. So it is a really massive apartment, as you can imagine. Bedrooms are distributed in two corridors, which are super long. Okay. Also, it is really nice because we got balconies attached mainly to bedroom number 1 and bedroom number 2, which are heading into the street. So that's pretty important. Also, we're receiving a lot of light from the exterior. Inside the whole apartment, so that's also pretty important. Apartment's really modern, really cool, has a pretty unique style and decoration, so we got a lot of patterns throughout the whole apartment. Ceilings are super high, so that's super nice too. Also, we're situated literally in the city center, so we could not be more centric than we are. So as we'll see, we're literally in the city center. There's no more to it. So basically, you go downstairs and you're in the city center. So that's super cool. As you can imagine, we got all the services that we need that a normal city center would offer. We're also really well connected with the rest of the city. First off, with Metro, that we got stopped really near. Also, we got a lot of bus stops throughout the whole center, and we're also really near to the metro station of Valencia, which is Estación del Norte. So you guys, let's check it out. Okay guys, so we're gonna start a video over here over the entrance space. So we're gonna first off check out the distribution in an overall site. So as we see, we got the main entrance and we got this super long corridor that goes up until the end. And we got over here a lot of bedrooms which are situated to the left and to the right hand side. Then if we go at the end of the corridor, we turn to the left, and then we could turn once again to the right, we find bathrooms, and we got also other bedrooms, okay? And if we go over here, we got this entrance, and attached to the entrance, we got the first 4 of the bedrooms, okay? So we're gonna start off first off checking out the entrance, as you can see, and as we just mentioned, really cool pattern over here in the floor throughout the whole apartment, okay? Everything in these white tones, which is super cool, also with these wooden tones. And we got super high ceiling, as you can see, throughout the whole apartment. Okay, so that's super cool. Right, so as we mentioned, we got over here the entrance. Okay, it is a pretty big and wide open space, and we got attached to it first 4 of the bedrooms. Also, to top it off, we got over here a heating unit, which is attached to the wall, so that's pretty important. So we're gonna start off first to our left hand side with bedroom number 1. Okay, so as we see, we got bedroom number 1 over here. It is attached, as we mentioned, to the entrance space. So pretty wide open bedroom over here, really big, and it's also full equipped. So we got all of the furniture that we need. So for example, if we go over here to this side of the wall, we got a double-sized bed. Okay, really big. At the side of the bed, we find a rounded table. Okay, also pretty cool style in decoration. We got a lamp on the top. Now if we turn to the side, we find a heating unit which is attached over here to the wall. Now we find a desk. Okay, so as you can see, really neatly settled over here. We got a chair, we got a lamp. Notice also we got these 2 doors which separate bedroom number 1 from bedroom number 2. Okay, which we're gonna check out just in a second. Now if we turn to the side, we got 2 shelves over here, so we can decorate them as we wish. We got a standalone wardrobe situated in the center over here. So we got plenty of space to store our clothes or whatever we need. So we got a really clean and nice distribution over here. Also to the side, we got 3 more shelves and we got a mirror. And as you may have noticed, we got over here 2 really big windows, which act also as doors behind these curtains over here and over here, okay? And now we're gonna check out the balcony, which is attached to this bedroom, okay? And it is also attached to bedroom number 2. So we're gonna check it out over here. It is a pretty long balcony over here. Okay, it goes over here up until this side. Okay, so this would be the door which leads us the access into bedroom number 2, which we're gonna check out in a second. But first off, as you can see, we got really city center views over here. So this over here is literally the city center. If you go over there, we got Plaza del Ayuntamiento, and basically this is the most centric you can get in the city. Okay, as you can see, also full of food stores, supermarkets, and everything that we need. Okay, at the side over here, we got also metro stops, so it is really nicely connected. So now we're gonna go back inside of the bedroom. We're gonna go through it, and we're gonna check out bedroom number 2, which is literally attached over here. So bedroom number 1, bedroom number 2. Notice also that we got keys over here in each of the bedrooms, so we can lock them from the inside and from the outside. So that's a pretty important feature. And now we got over here the bedroom. Okay, so super big too. We got nice pattern decorating the floor, and we got a lot of furniture. So As we see over here, we got a double-sized bed attached to the side of the wall. Okay, we also got some bed lining included. To the side, we find 3 shelves, which are empty, so we can decorate them as we want. We got a table with a lamp just besides the bed. At the side, we find a heating unit inside our own bedroom. And now if we turn to the side, we can see a desk, really neatly presented over here. We got a light too, we got a chair. To the side, we find a mirror. And as we mentioned, this would be the door that separates bedroom number 1 and bedroom number 2. Now we turn to the side, we got a standalone wardrobe, which is the same kind of wardrobe that we saw from bedroom number 1. Okay, so really neat space for our storage. Over here, we got a rounded table made out of wood, also has a really cool style decoration, and we find a chair. And we also got the same kind of windows and doors over here that we just saw from bedroom number 1. Okay, and they also laid the access, as we mentioned, to the balcony. So now we're gonna go over here and we're gonna check out bedroom number 3. All right, and finishing off with bedroom number 2, we're gonna go pretty much in a straight line and turn to the left over here. And we got this door, which leads us the access into bedroom number 3, okay? So, as you can see, has pretty much same style and decoration as the rest of the bedrooms. Seems super cool to me. We got double-sized bed situated over here to this left-hand side. We also got some cushions and the bed lining included. To the side of the bed, we find a table, which is rounded, and we find a lamp on the top. We also got a window, which has some interior patio views, and we got them behind these curtains. If we go over here, we got a shelf, we got a heating unit, we got a mirror over here. Notice also that the doors throughout the whole apartment are super cool. They have a pretty unique style decoration. Okay, and now we turn to the side, we find the standalone wardrobe, which is kind of the same style that we just seen in the rest of the bedrooms. Okay, so we got plenty of space for storage over here, and we also got a bin to this side. Now if we turn over here, attached to the bed, we find a desk, which is really neatly settled. As you can see, also colors are matching perfectly. We find a chair over here, and we got 2 super long shelves which can be used to decorate them as we want. Okay, so now we're gonna go out of bedroom number 3 over here in a straight line, and we're gonna turn to the left to check out bedroom number 4. Okay, so this is also an interior bedroom. We got a standalone wardrobe situated over here, so we got plenty of space for our clothes storage too. We can hang our clothes over here in the top side. We also find a shelf, and we got more space to the left. Okay, now attached to the wardrobe, we got a desk, which is also super neatly presented. We have over here several different shelves too. All right, and we also got more space for storage to the left. Now over here, we find a double-sized bed with bed lining and a cushion included over here. Just on top of the bed, we find a window, which is super big, as you can see, and is setting into an interior patio. And now if we turn over here, we got 2 shelves, and we got the space over here, and just on top of it, we'll find a mirror. Okay, so now we're gonna head into the super long corridor that leads us over here, the entrance. Okay, so we're gonna go in a straight line over here, and we're gonna start checking out the rest of the apartment. Okay, so we're gonna go first and turn to our left-hand side. Notice also, if you've just seen, the lights come out automatically, so that's super cool. And now we're gonna turn to the left, as we mentioned. We're gonna go in to check out bedroom number 5. So super massive bedroom overall. We got a desk over here. So you may have noticed, all of the bedrooms have the same style and decoration, pretty much same furniture, so they are all fully equipped. So we got a desk over here, we got a light, we got some shelves just on top of the desk. We also got a chair. Now we got a window over here, which is also super tall, and we got some curtains, and this leads us the access into an interior patio, which we're gonna check out over here. Okay, and now we're gonna check out the bedroom from this angle. So we got double-sized bed with bed lining and some cushions. We got a table attached to the bed with a lamp. We also got another table to the other side. Okay, and we got a heating unit, so that's pretty important. And now just in front of the bed, as you can see over here, we find the desk that we just mentioned before. Okay, so now we're gonna go out of bedroom number 5. We're gonna go over here in a straight line. Notice also that the corridor has our own heating unit, so that's pretty important. And over here, as we see, we've got a super cool pattern throughout the whole of these windows. Super cool. Okay, so now just before heading into bedroom number 6, we're gonna turn to our right-hand side over here, okay, through the corridor, and we're gonna check out bedroom number 10. This will be the last of the bedrooms, okay? So we got it over here. And as you can see, we got a desk, really neatly presented over here. Also got a light and 2 shelves. We got a chair. We got a standalone wardrobe, which is situated over here besides the desk. We also got 2 more shelves over here. Okay, and we got the stair over here. We're just gonna go up the stair. Okay, so we got the bed over here. Also really neat, and it includes bed linen and the cushion. Okay, so now we're gonna go down the stair, and we see over here a window with some interior patio views and a curtain over here. Okay, so as we mentioned, this will be bedroom number 10, and now we're gonna continue corridor over here. We're gonna follow it in a straight line. We're gonna go to bedroom number 6, which is the next one over here. So we turn to the left and we find bedroom over here. So you can see pretty wide open too. So it's a really massive apartment overall. We got a desk over here. Everything really neatly presented. We got a chair, we got a light, we got some shelves over here in the top side. If we turn to the side, we got the standalone wardrobe, okay, which has same exact distribution as the rest we just saw. If we go over here, we got a heating unit attached to the wall, really neatly in this corner too. Now we got a mirror, as you can see over here. We got a window, pretty big, behind these curtains. And over here, attached to this right-hand side, in this case of the bedroom, we find a double-sized bed with bed linen and cushions, okay? Also, we got a table with a light. Now we're gonna go back again through the super big corridor, okay? And we're gonna go straight. We're gonna turn to the left. Bath number 3 over here, okay? So we got our sink situated over here. We can hang our clothes to the side, mainly our coats, for example. Then if we go over here behind the door, we got this space too, okay? And this would be, as we mentioned, bathroom number 3. So now we're gonna go back into the corridor. We go a few steps in a straight line. We turn to the left and we find bedroom number 7, okay? So as you can see, it is also full equipped. We got a double-sized bed situated over here to this left-hand side. We got 2 shelves just on top of the bed. To the side, we find a standalone wardrobe, which has plenty of space for our clothes. Okay, so it has a really nice distribution over here. If we go to the side, we find a mirror. We got some shelves attached to the wall really neatly. We got this space over here. And to the side, we got a desk. Okay, we got a light. We got some shelves, we got a chair, we got a heating unit, and we got a window which leads us the views into some interior patio, okay? Now we're gonna go to this side. We're gonna go once again at the end of the corridor over here, but just before it, we turn to the right and we find the kitchen. As we will see, it's a super cool kitchen, okay? Everything's really neatly distributed. It's pretty big too. We got over here, as you can see, 2 microwaves, okay? We got cooking fire. We got 2 shelves over here, which are super massive with all of the equipment. So this is a fully equipped kitchen. To the side, we see a sink. Over here, we got 2 more shelves, which are super big. This one we got it really neatly decorated, and this one we got them with some more equipment. We got 2 toasters. Okay, we got a lot of space underneath for storage. We got 2 fridges too, and for example, over here we can check out the distribution, and also that we got plenty of equipment for a kitchen. Okay, so now we're gonna go over here outside of the kitchen. Okay, so coming up for the kitchen, we see the distribution. If we go over here to the left, we find a laundry room. If we go to the right, we find another bedroom and bathrooms. But first off, we're gonna check out this space over here. We access through this open space. Okay, and this is this kind of living room, which is super cool because we got, as you can see, 2 tables. We got 4 chairs surrounding each of the tables. Really neatly presented, made out of wood too. And if we go to this side, it is really neatly decorated, really clean. Also the colors match perfectly. And we got 2 shelves. So this one is used for decoration. This one can be used for our dinner or whatever we need. And we also got 3 stools over here. Okay, so we got over here, we can check out the views too. Super cool. And also we got the views of the super long corridor. Okay, and now over here, if we go to the side, we find bedroom number 9. Right guys, so as we just mentioned, over here we will have bedroom number 9. As you can see, it's a pretty wide open bedroom over here. Got a lot of space, as you can see. Also, we got cool patterns decorating the floor in this bedroom too. So as you can see, it's also fully equipped. We're gonna check out first this side. So as you can see, we got a desk, really neatly presented. We got a lamp on the top. we got over here our chair. To this right hand side we find some space where we can store our things. Now we also got a heating unit which is attached to the wall in this right hand side. And now just on top of the desk we find 2 shelves where we can decorate them as we wish, so that's really neat and really clean. If we turn to the side we find a mirror, which is also super useful to have inside our own bedroom. To the side we can hang our clothes over here, mainly our coats or whatever we need. If we turn to the side we got 2 more shelves which are really long, so we can decorate the bedroom as we want to. And now attached to them we find a standalone wardrobe, as you can see in this white tone, which is super cool. Now we're going to check out briefly the inside, just so you can see how the distribution looks like. So we can hang our things over here, and we can also store our clothes over here in this space and down in the bottom. Okay, notice also we got an extra space at the right hand side, so we got even more storage. And now we turn over here, we find a double-sized bed, really neatly settled over here, attached to this right hand side of the bedroom. At the side of the bed we find a rounded table with a lamp. And also notice we got a really cool window. Has a pretty unique style in decoration, as you can see, with some patterns. And also we're receiving a lot of light, so that's super important. Okay, so now we're gonna go and check out the rest of the apartments over here. Okay, so coming out from this bedroom, we're gonna go in a straight line over here. We're gonna turn to the left, and we're gonna check out the laundry room. So as you can see, fully equipped apartment overall. We got 2 washing machines over here. We got also some shelves. And to the side, we also got some extra space for storage with the rest of the equipment. Okay, so now we're gonna go over here. We're gonna go in a straight line through this corridor. And if we turn first off to our right hand side, we're gonna check out bathroom number 2. Okay, so as you can see, pretty wide open bathroom with the space too. We got a sink situated over here. We got a kind of rounded mirror just on top of it. If we go to the side, we find a massive window which has a cool pattern on the glass too. Okay, and we also got the rest of the equipment over here, and to the side we got this piece of furniture which is used to store our products. As you can see, mainly our bath products, and it is super neatly distributed. And in this corner we got our shower. Okay, also super modern, pretty brand new. Okay, and now we're gonna go and check out first of the bathrooms, which is kind of attached to bathroom number 2. So we got it over here, and as you can see, it is also fully equipped. So we got the same kind of decoration over here in this piece of furniture where we can store our things. We got our sink over here. We got a mirror on the top. We got the space in this corner, and to this other corner we got our shower. Okay, so as you can see, it is fully equipped throughout the whole apartment. And over here at the end of the corridor we find bedroom number 8. Okay, so as you can see, super cool. We got over here double-sized bed attached to this right hand side of the bedroom. Okay, we also got a cushion. To the side we find a rounded table with a light. We also got 2 shelves over here. Now we turn to the side, we got a standalone wardrobe, okay, which has same style as the rest which you've been seeing through the rest of the bedrooms. We got a mirror attached over here to the standalone wardrobe, which is super useful. To the side we find a massive window. Okay, pretty much it is reaching the ceiling. And we also got some curtains. Notice also the style, super cool and pretty unique. And now to the top of the bedroom we find over here heating unit. And to the side we got a desk. Okay, we got 2 shelves and we got a chair. Right guys, so this has been the visit for today. This has been Dennis from Spotahome. We're waiting you over here, and let's see you in the next one.